Once again, iOS users, it's your day today because in this video, we'll be taking a look at 7 amazing apps that you should definitely install. As always, you can find links to these apps in the description below. So without further ado, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech and let's get right to it, shall we? Starting things off is Strong, a workout tracker which will help you stay in shape. With the app, you can maintain a journal of your workouts and see your progress in real time. No matter what type of exercises you are doing, this app will come in handy. The app packs in a bunch of sample routines to help you get started, but if you don't like any of those, you can create your own workout routine consisting of a variety of different exercises. All of the exercises are categorized according to the body parts you want to focus on and the equipment you're using. And they even come with a basic tutorial that you can follow if you're just getting started. You can log in your daily workout on the app and see your exercise history from the workout tab, along with charts that provide some great insights about your progress. The app is free to use with some limitations, but it also offers a 60-day free trial if you want to try out all of the premium features. Now, if you're working out and want to keep a check on your diet, then there are a lot of meal planning apps available on the App Store. However, if you're a vegetarian, then you're definitely not going to have any luck trying those apps. For that, you need a Billion Veg, a handy little app which will help you discover healthy vegetarian food around you and also show you some recipes that you can try at home. You can try out the recipes and restaurants available in the app and leave a review to help out fellow vegetarians. But the best part about the app is its spoke feature, which you can use to prompt your favorite restaurant to add more vegetarian dishes to their menu. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you're planning on adopting a disciplined lifestyle with regular workouts and proper meals, it's definitely going to be a tough start. But there's no need to worry because there's an app to help you with that. Habify is an amazing app that will help you form good habits by pushing timely reminders on your phone. The app has a bunch of different habits that you can pick up, and it even lets you create your own custom habit if you don't find the one you're looking for in the presets. You can easily track your habit progress in the app thanks to the stat chart, which also plays a motivational role to keep moving forward. And what's really cool about this app is that you can use it with family or friends and develop good habits as a group. But good habits will only take you so far if you don't maintain a strict schedule. That's why I'd also recommend checking out Sorted 3, an amazing task management app that will help you get your life all sorted out. You can use the app to efficiently divide your day depending on the tasks you need to accomplish. And if you're not sure where to begin, the app has some cool guides to help you out. It can automatically sync with your calendar so you don't need to worry about adding any of the existing tasks, and it also features Siri integration to help you add tasks without putting in much effort. Moving on, let's take a look at Quartz Brief, a cool news app with a unique twist. The app has a simple messenger-like interface in which you get news in the form of short text messages. You can tap on the arrow next to the message to open up the full article, or you can continue the conversation to see the next headline by tapping on one of the automated responses. The app also lets you choose which topics you wish to follow, customize notifications, and it even has a hilarious snooze Trump option that will give you some temporary relief from the president's shenanigans. Next, we have a cool image editing app called Vimage, which allows you to create short animated images with some cool effects. You can choose from a variety of different effects like rain, clouds, butterflies, or even plants, and level up your still photos. The app also lets you change the speed of the animation, easily add masks to avoid objects in the image, and edit the effects to make them look as natural as possible. Once you're done editing, the app even lets you post your images directly to Instagram. Oh, now speaking of Instagram, have you checked out our account? Well, we post some amazing photos on the app and we often host Instagram exclusive giveaways for all our followers. If that sounds cool and interesting, well, search for Guiding Tech on your Instagram app or follow the link in the description below and hit the follow button on our Instagram profile. Well, now that we have got that out of the way, let's take a look at the last app. Vellum is a really cool wallpaper app that lets you easily download and use a ton of amazing wallpapers on your iPhone. Not only does the app have an extensive selection of abstract wallpapers, but it also lets you add a nice blur effect to them and preview the outcome before applying it on the home screen. The app is completely free to use and it's supported by ads, which is probably its only drawback. The ads can get a bit annoying at times as they take up the entire screen and are often non-skippable. So that's it for today's video on the best iOS apps. I'd love to hear what are your favorites, so drop them in the comments below. Subscribe to GT for more such videos in the future. This is Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.